Before we reveal today's hidden treasure, welcome back to Lucky Penny Finds, Rare US Coins Alert. Check your pocket now, because these old coins could be hidden wealth sitting right in your change. Do not spend these coins. Some dirty old coins are worth serious money, and secret collectors are fighting to get them. Nobody talks about these silent fortunes hiding in plain sight, and every coin in this video gets bigger, rarer, and more shocking. Stay until the end, because these hidden treasure coins could change everything, and the next coin may be the life-changing opportunity you've been missing. First coin number 1. At first glance, this 1955 with S-wheat penny looks like nothing special. Just another old 1-cent coin that many people would toss into a jar, drop into a cash register, or spend without a second thought. But that simple mistake could cost someone a hidden fortune. This is not fiction. Some collectors stop immediately when they see a genuine 1955 wheat penny with an S-mint mark in very fine condition, because they know they might be looking at a silent treasure that has survived decades against incredible odds. Back in 1955, America was experiencing a period of rapid growth, but underneath the optimism, there were major economic changes happening across the country. Manufacturing was booming, populations were expanding, and U.S. mint facilities were working hard to keep up with demand for circulating coinage. Millions of coins were moving through the economy every day. Most were spent, damaged, worn down, or eventually disappeared. Very few survived with attractive original surfaces and the kind of eye appeal collectors desperately want today. That is one reason this coin continues to attract attention from serious buyers. The moment you hold a genuine 1955 S-wheat penny, you are touching a small piece of American history. On the front, the familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln stares forward with the strong classic appearance that has made the wheat penny one of the most beloved coin designs in U.S. history. The word liberty sits beside Lincoln, while the date 1955 tells the story of an era that now exists only in photographs and memories. Turn the coin over, and you find the famous wheat ears framing the words 1 cent and United States of America. That reverse design has become legendary among collectors because it represents a period of American coinage that many consider one of the most beautiful and nostalgic ever produced. What makes this coin especially fascinating is the tiny S mint mark. That small letter means the coin was struck at the San Francisco Mint. To most people, it is just a tiny detail. To collectors, it changes everything. Tiny details create massive differences in collector demand. Some collectors spend years searching for examples with the right surfaces, the right color, and the right amount of original character. This detail changes everything. The coin itself has a very distinctive feel. It was struck from a bronze alloy made primarily of copper, giving it that warm reddish-brown appearance that collectors love. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams, measures about 19.05 millimeters across, and has a thickness close to 1.55 millimeters. Those numbers may sound ordinary, but when combined with decades of survival, they become part of a story that is becoming harder to find every year. Many people assume age alone creates rarity. That is not true. Survival creates rarity. Think about how many 1955 with S pennies were spent on groceries, vending machines, newspapers, and everyday purchases. Think about how many were lost, damaged, cleaned, corroded, bent, or thrown away. Every decade removed more examples from existence. The survivors are the coins that escaped destruction. The very fine condition of this example is important because it still displays significant original detail while showing honest circulation that proves it lived a real life in American commerce. Collectors pay close attention to originality. In fact, originality can mean the difference between an exciting coin and a disappointing one. Many beginners make a costly mistake by cleaning old coins. Never clean this coin. A cleaned coin often loses the natural toning and surface texture that collectors treasure. Original toning matters. Those subtle shades of brown, red-brown, or antique color tell a story that cannot be recreated once it is removed. The moment a coin is aggressively cleaned, much of its collector appeal can disappear. Auction rooms become surprisingly intense when desirable wheat pennies appear. The bidding is often quiet at first. Then, suddenly, multiple collectors begin competing. Each person knows opportunities are becoming scarcer. Demand continues rising, while available examples continue shrinking. Many advanced collectors are holding their best pieces rather than selling them, which puts even more pressure on the market whenever an attractive example appears for sale. That growing demand is one reason this particular coin has attracted so much attention. Today, examples like this have reached a market value around $196,000. That is not just a number. For many people, that represents hidden wealth, serious money, a silent fortune, hiding inside what appears to be an ordinary penny. Imagine accidentally spending a coin like that and never realizing what slips through your fingers. If you start searching your own coins, look carefully at the date, the S-Mint mark, the overall condition, and especially the originality of the surfaces. Do not rush. Patience is golden in coin collecting. Small details that seem unimportant to most people can dramatically change desirability. Professional grading is critical because authentication and condition verification can have a major impact on collector confidence and market interest. And here is the part that should keep every viewer watching. As remarkable as this 1,955 with S-Wheat penny is, the next coin is even more shocking. Its rarity is on another level. Collectors become even more aggressive when it appears, and one tiny detail makes it far more dangerous to ignore. Stay with us, because what comes next could be the hidden treasure that changes everything. Next coin, number 2. If you think the last coin was shocking, what you're about to see may completely change the way you look at pocket change forever. Stay till the end, because this is not fiction. This is one of those hidden treasure coins that people spend every single day without realizing they could be letting a silent fortune slip away. Rare U.S. coins alert. Do not spend this coin. What looks like an ordinary Jefferson nickel could actually be a piece of hidden wealth that serious collectors are constantly searching for. The 2003 with P. Monticello Jefferson nickel arrived during a fascinating period in American history. The early 2000s were filled with economic uncertainty, changing markets, and a rapidly evolving world. Millions of nickels were being produced to keep commerce moving smoothly across the country. Most people barely looked at them. They passed from hand to hand, pocket to pocket, cash register to cash register. Yet among those ordinary nickels, a few examples developed characteristics that would eventually capture the attention of collectors who understood what others overlooked. At first glance, the coin appears familiar. On the front stands the portrait of Thomas Jefferson, one of the most recognizable figures ever featured on American coinage. His image represents tradition, history, and the enduring story of the United States. The inscriptions surrounding the portrait create the classic look that Americans have known for generations. Turn the coin over, and the famous Monticello building immediately commands attention. The detailed structure sits proudly at the center of the reverse design. surrounded by the denomination and national inscriptions that define this iconic 5-cent piece. But here is where things become interesting. This particular 2003 with P example is known for its unusual black appearance, often described by collectors as a black spat or darkened surface characteristic. To most people, that dark look might seem unimportant. Some might even mistake it for damage and spend the coin without a second thought. That is exactly why hidden treasures continue to disappear from circulation. Certain collectors, however, see something entirely different. They see character, originality, and a unique appearance that separates the coin from countless ordinary examples. This detail changes everything. The small P mint mark tells us the coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. That tiny letter may look insignificant, but experienced collectors know mint marks often become critical pieces of the story. When combined with condition, preservation, and unusual visual characteristics, a simple mint mark can become one of the first things buyers examine. Pick up a genuine 2003 with P. Jefferson Nickel, and it has a solid presence in the hand. The coin is composed of a copper core covered by layers of nickel, giving it the familiar appearance Americans recognize instantly. It weighs approximately 5.0 grams, measures 21.21 millimeters in diameter, and has a thickness of about 1.95 millimeters. It feels sturdy, dependable, and completely ordinary. That is exactly what makes it so dangerous to ignore. Hidden fortunes rarely announce themselves. Every year removes more examples from the population. Some are damaged beyond recognition. Others are cleaned by well-meaning owners who unknowingly destroy collector appeal. Survival becomes increasingly important as time passes. That is why the very good condition of this coin matters. It reflects genuine circulation history while still preserving enough detail to attract attention. Many collectors appreciate coins that tell a story. Every mark, every worn area, and every surviving detail represents years of movement through the American economy. There is something powerful about holding a coin that has quietly traveled through countless hands before finally being recognized as something special. One of the biggest mistakes a finder can make is cleaning the coin. Never clean this coin. Original toning matters. Original surfaces matter. Collectors often prefer a naturally aged appearance because it reflects authenticity. Once cleaning removes those original characteristics, much of the coin's appeal can disappear forever. A coin only gets one chance to preserve its original history. Professional grading is critical. Experienced collectors want confidence. They want authentication, condition verification, and expert evaluation. A professionally graded coin often attracts stronger interest because buyers know exactly what they are bidding on. In a market where tiny details can create enormous differences in value, professional grading becomes one of the smartest steps a collector can take. What makes this nickel especially fascinating is the way demand continues growing while supply quietly shrinks. Serious collectors are constantly searching for unusual pieces that stand out from the crowd. When a desirable example appears, bidding can become surprisingly aggressive. Auction rooms often begin quietly, but once multiple collectors recognize what is being offered, the competition changes immediately. Some collectors are not buying to sell. They are buying to hold. They know that opportunities become harder to find every year. That growing competition is one reason examples like this have generated so much attention. Today, this rare 2003 with P. Monticello Jefferson Nickel has been associated with a market value of approximately $140,000 for an ordinary-looking 5-cent coin. That number feels almost unbelievable. Yet that is exactly what hidden treasure coins do. They hide enormous value behind ordinary appearances. They create silent fortunes where most people see nothing more than spare change. So check your nickels carefully. Look at the date. Look for the P-mint mark. Study the surfaces. Pay attention to unusual coloration and original character. Never rush to judgment. Never assume a dark-looking coin is worthless. Patience is often the difference between overlooking a treasure and discovering one. And that brings us to the end of today's incredible hunt through hidden treasure coins. We uncovered coins that most people would never notice, yet they carry the potential for serious money, hidden wealth, and life-changing opportunities. The biggest lesson is simple. Do not spend these coins until you know exactly what you have. One small detail can change everything. If you enjoyed this treasure hunt, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another rare US coins alert. Every week we uncover hidden fortunes, silent treasures, and shocking coin discoveries that people accidentally lose every day. The next video reveals even more unbelievable coins hiding in plain sight, including a rare piece that has collectors fighting behind the scenes and a value that may be even more shocking than anything you've seen today. You won't want to miss what comes next.